Hi, it's Jen and Tammy back with another Notion find for you. As you know, Clover Notion is really our go-to.
They really are. They're high quality, consistent high quality from Clover. Boy, they're our first go, aren't they?
And they're made in Japan, engineered and made in Japan, where the craftsmanship is their country's pride, really.
Yes.
And it shows in their Notions. So, of course, as quilters, we need good pins and we need pin cushions.
That's right.
And before magnetic pin cushions, I would spill my pins and spend
hours
trying to pick them up. And of course, now we know and they all line up.
They do.
Well, in the midst of actually reordering some Clover Notions, I noticed that Clover has another pin cushion.
I love that.
That is a cute little purple heart. And the flower head pins aren't flowers, but they're hearts.
Aren't they cute?
And so I brought this in and I said, Tammy, you got a new toy to play with. I
love that part.
And give us your feedback.
Oh, wonderful. I'd love to. So this is the high quality, exactly like you would expect from Clover. All right. So again, when you drop your pins and you pick them all up just like that, they line right up. You have a little groove here for your finger to grab a pin, just like this one does.
Right.
So the groove is the same, right? I love this pin cushion. It's purple.
Yeah, purple.
I love that part, and it's a heart. I love that part. It does have a lid, which when I put it on, it will close firmly so that it's not coming off of there when I throw this in a bag, right?
Oh my gosh, that'd be a mess.
It would be a mess. It would. Your pins would be everywhere in a bag. I love that, okay? And my granddaughter thinks she needs one already.
Oh, she's learning how.
Because it's a purple heart, and it's, come on, Grandma, I need heart pins. How cute are these, right?
It makes it fun.
It is fun.
Some people think pinning is a chore.
Yes.
Now this makes pinning fun.
This makes it fun. And when I pair this with a heart ruler,
like
one of our quilting rulers, how cute is this?
That's
perfect gift to give her.
Yeah.
She's thrilled. So if you have little ones that you're teaching to sew this summer, this would be perfect for them.
Oh, you're right. And even for us that just like to add
or just us.
So that's right.
Okay, that's right. Yes.
So, you know, whether you're using this one or maybe that one.
This one.
I'm never disappointed when I have two pin cushions because it seems to always be on the opposite side of the room.
Yes. I need one on the ironing board, one on the cutting table, and one by my machine. Yes.
Perfect. So
they're
if
beautiful.
You want to add some fun and functionality to your sewing room, pick up that heart magnetic pin cushion as well as those heart pins. And we will see you soon on another Notion video.
Yeah.
So if...
Oh, did you see that? The magnetic forces are coming. Love that. Whoa. Oh, you made it go backwards.
Oh gosh, I wasn't expecting that.
I wasn't either. Not for
this.
Can this one make that one turn?
Oh. No, it's too heavy.